Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Eagle pressure washer. I've got it all hooked up, ready to go, but let's talk about it a little bit. Up top, you're going to put your batteries in. So I've got the batteries fully charged. You're going to charge them in a separate charger. Then you're going to simply put your batteries in. It can hold 2 batteries. It's got a power switch here. We've got 3 speeds. We can control the speeds from this switch right here, but we also have a switch right here that we can control the 3 speeds on also. We've got quick disconnects here. I've got different nozzles I can store up here. I've got the 40-degree on one right now, which we're going to show you how to do some cleaning. Now I've got it turned on. I've got water, my garden hose connected here, so I've got full supply of water. It does have a siphon hose. So you can put this hose on where the garden hose is, and you can siphon the water out of a bucket. This also has a foam cannon, which we'll show you that too. But right now, I've got the pressure washer all hooked up, batteries are charged up. Let's go do some cleaning. Okay, so here's the display. Again, there's a little watch battery in there that you have to replace once in a while. But you turn it on, hold the red button down. There's turbo, there's low. There's high, there's turbo. And that shows us how much battery we have. So that's a battery display and a mode display. All right, let's go clean on turbo. I'm gonna move this. And now get close up and then kind of go back and forth. Okay, the pressure washer is very, very powerful. I'm going to show you, we're going to clean this entire area. Okay, with it sitting here and the batteries on, I can hear like a small fan on. Now we can turn it off right here. That turns it off, but if I turn it on, I've got 3 speeds, low, medium, and high, and I can also adjust those up here on the wand. So I have to turn the pressure on There's low, medium, and turbo. And again, that display corresponds with my battery charge. Now, I've been using this for about 15 minutes, and my batteries haven't gone down at all. Let's turn it off. Now again, press this button. I can hear kind of a fan in there. I've got the big 12 amp hour batteries. These are the big, it can take the smaller ones, the 6, the 5, even the 2, but the big ones, the 12 amp hour ones that I have in my riding mower will also fit in here. Push them in till they click. Now let's go over the different nozzles. Again, that was the 40. Again, nice storage up here. This is the 20. A little bit smaller spray pattern. Whoops, I gotta turn it back on. All right. This is a really fine one, so be careful with this one. Now that's this is as fine as it comes with. It doesn't come with a 0.1. No, that's the 40. So now I can take this off. This is called a rinse nozzle. So let's check the rinse nozzle. All right. So adjusting it really doesn't adjust the flow on the rinse nozzle. It's not coming out super fast, but I got a big high volume. Now these other nozzles will not connect to the smaller nozzles only connect to the very end of the wand. Same with this one. So let's connect that one again. Now this one acts a little different. It's going to have that that spinning motion. And I can adjust the pressure. But that does a really good job of deep cleaning in a circular motion. So let's connect the foam gun. Now I've got some foam, I got some concentrated soap in there. I also put some water. We can adjust how much, little or less. So let's turn it on. There's the foam cannon. That's on minimum foam. Let's turn it, we'll go to maximum foam. You can see it's getting a really good job. And then we'll go to minimum foam. All right, let's take that off. Again, that's the foam cannon. Now let's put this back on. Now I want to show you these quick disconnects. All of these quick disconnects came installed. Let's turn it off. Let's relieve pressure. Again, that's a quick disconnect. I got the garden hose. Let me turn the garden hose off. Now I got my quick disconnect here. Either way it can go on. It's the same quick disconnect. And these already come all pre-installed, so it's really, really easy to use. So let's turn it back on. Turn the water on. All right, now let's do some cleaning. Let's go to 40 and let's wash this soap off. Okay, I can even rinse this off a little bit. I don't want to submerge it in water, but I can rinse it off a little bit. The handle stores like a suitcase. It's got 2 positions. I can store the handle. Let's turn it off. And again, I got to turn the water off. Relieve some pressure. Now disconnect it. And then disconnect the hose. So this part goes right here. And this part goes right here. And then I can wrap the hose up. I can wrap the hose up on the back. I don't have to put gasoline in this. This is all battery powered. I don't have to run electricity to it. All I got to do is run a garden hose to it or the siphon hose to it with a bucket of water. Very, very portable. Now you noticed that fan did stay on for a little bit after I turned it off, but then eventually the batteries lights do go out. Again, this will not charge the batteries. I have to take the batteries out and I have to put them in another charger, which for me, it's my lawnmower. I put my batteries in my lawnmower and I charge my lawnmower. So again, this thing just is, now with the batteries installed, it is kind of heavy, but it is still pretty lightweight with the batteries out. I just cannot stress enough how powerful it was, how easy it is to use, and I just love that I don't have to put gas in it. So I really do love this Ego pressure washer. I hope this detailed review helps. Thanks everybody for watching.